It's 5:30 in the morning, and I'm in the petrified National Forest. As you can see, there are no trees. I'm at a campground at a gift shop called the Crystal Forest Museum. I don't know if I've ever been anyplace so quiet.
Okay, I've bathed, so to speak, since I've been on my trip, but I just realized that I have not shaved my armpits, and I'm wearing a lot of sleeveless shirts, and so that will be interesting to try to figure out in the van.
So I'm not sure exactly how to do this, I guess. Okay, not too shabby.
Alright, Tuesday was day 1, Wednesday day 2, Thursday day 4. Day 4. I was going to stop at a rest stop to do all my morning business, as in finish my coffee, go to the bathroom, do some yoga, wash up, but the rest stop was closed. I was really bummed about that, so I ended up going to a Love's truck stop, and you know how, at least for girls, it's really hard to go to the bathroom with other people in there. Well, today was the first time that I had to learn to get over that really quick. So yeah, this is a learning experience. Also, I got to do truck stop yoga in the van. So that was interesting. So now I'm on the way to the Gallup Library, and when I get there, I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna put on clothes or just go in my workout clothes. Not too sure anyone in this town cares. Nothing against Gallup, but it's just very casual. So anyway, then I'm heading on to Albuquerque after working. So I was talking on the phone to a friend this morning, and she asked if I had been feeling lonely yet. And I said, I don't feel lonely, like sad. It just kind of stinks to be alone. But I'm glad about that. I was afraid I would feel lonely. I don't feel lonely. It would just be more fun if I were with someone.
Stop it right there. This isn't going to be one of those crying shows. Get a hold of yourself.
All right, leaving Albuquerque, I stayed at a friend's house, parked in front of her house, slept in the van for the last 2 nights, and had just a wonderful time. Sad to leave my friend and her family, but on to the next adventure.
Next time on Van Life Wannabe.
0.2 miles and turn left on County Park Road.